Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So we have been waiting for the upcoming iPhone 12, but now the pre-production iPhone 12 elegantly handle it on video. The video, as you can see on your screen, elegantly show off someone handling the new upcoming iPhone 12 fresh out of its retail pack. But how can we be sure that this is not just the iPhone 11 Pro? And we don't mean this in indictment of Apple's slow piece when it's come to its smartphone design. The first thing that stand out are the flat-sided. Rumor says it that the 2020 generation of the Apple iPhone will take a curve from the iPad Pro, which have squared off sides. The iPhone 11 generation has rounded sides, but rumors also claim that the notch will be smaller, and we are not seeing it. To be fair, it did not look similar to this alleged photo, as you can see, of the iPhone 12 either. The camera layout on the back is identical to the iPhone 11 Pro, which does not match up with the sum of the render we have seen. However, the render can be inaccurate if they are based on a schematic for case manufacturers. The case does not cover the camera, so schematic don't feature the exact layout. We should note that some leaks show the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max with a quad camera setup, while other rumor that the Pros will only have triple camera setup, and thus the non-Pro model will have only two cameras. The difference may be explained by whether or not source count the LiDAR as a camera. At any rate, the device in the video, as you can see, is presumably an iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max. Anyway, notice that there is no FCC label on the back of the device. This is typical for a pre-production and test unit. The iPhone 12 model are currently in the stage. This also means that this is not just an off-the-shelf iPhone 11 Pro. There is still a very real possibility that this is knockoff. There are plenty of those around. We have to wait for a more credible leak from a reliable source until we can write this off as a fake or confirm that this is a genuine video. Anyway, time tell us this is the new iPhone 12 or not, but the iApple Time tweet, he says, breaking according to Mac Otkara, Apple will launch Apple Watch Series 6 at October event this year alongside with the iPhone 12 model and AirTag, further starting that Apple is planning to hold the event second half of October. And also John Prosser's also retweet her last tweet. He say, I'm being told that something is happening on Apple website on Tuesday, September 8. He also tweet a lots of stuff on her Twitter account. He says the new adjusted Apple date. He revealed the date of launching the Apple product, the upcoming iPhone 12, 12 devices, 12 Pro, and some Apple watches. As you can see, this is her previous tweet. And also John Prosser revealed some of screenshot of refresh settings, screenshot review on her Twitter account. As you can see, this is show the enabling high refresh rate on the upcoming iPhone 12, and also with one more screenshot he tweet of a camera setting of the upcoming iPhone 12. As you can see, what we get in upcoming iPhone 12 camera setting. Anyway, let's see in upcoming days. This is not the officially confirmed, but let's see in upcoming days. We have just 1 or 2 months to launching the upcoming iPhone 12 series. Let me know in the comment section which device you like, the bigger iPhone 12 Pro Max or the smaller iPhone 12. Maybe they have come with a 2 camera plus with a LiDAR, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the bigger version, come with a 4 camera. 3 is the also big cameras, 1 is the LiDAR sensor. So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out and bye.